How to look up and register for classes using the class schedule. The class schedule is a great tool available to help you find classes to enroll in each semester. To access the class schedule, start at the San Francisco State main webpage. On the right side of the page, put the cursor on Quick Links. Select Class Schedule from the menu. There are two ways to search for classes: Quick Search and Advanced Search. If you know the subject or subject and course number, you can put that in the Quick Class Search, select the appropriate term, select Academic Regular Session, and then click on Quick Search to generate a list of courses that meet your search criteria. Most of the time, we recommend you use the Advanced Class Search, which gives you more filtering options when looking for a class. Make sure you select the correct term or semester for which you will taking the classes, and that Academic Regular Session is selected. Do not use College of Extended Learning, CEL. There are many ways to search for classes now. You can search for classes based on subject if you want to see all of the classes offered in a specific subject. You can use both subject and course number if you know the exact course you are looking for. You also have a number of filtering options to narrow down your list of classes, including classes with seats available, online or hybrid classes, classes that only meet on certain days, or ones that only meet at certain times of the day. Under Course Attribute, you will find a long list of attributes that you can search by, including specific general education areas you would like a course to satisfy. Note that you should consider choosing less options if your search results in few or no courses that meet your search criteria. Let's try a search for a course that fulfills a specific general education requirement. Let's leave the subject and course number blank. We can check the classes with seats available option, so we only see open courses, and leave the other options blank. Click on any attribute next to Course Attribute to see a drop-down list of all the attributes you can search by. For this example, we will select A1, Oral Communication. At the bottom of the page, click Advanced Search. This will produce a list of courses with seats available that meet the A1, Oral Communication requirement with information on each class, including the class number you will use to enroll in the course, the meeting time and location for the course, the number of seats left in the course, and the number of spaces available on the waitlist for the course if the seats should fill up. On the upper left-hand corner of the list, you can see how many entries or classes fit your search criteria. On the top of each column, you'll see an arrow pointing up and down which you can click on to sort based on whichever detail you might find important, such as most to least seats. If you click on the course prefix and course number on the left, you will see the additional details for the course, including the course description with any prerequisites, the attributes for the course including general education areas the course will satisfy, the number of seats in the course, and more. Read the course attributes carefully to be sure the class meets the requirements you want, and that you meet any prerequisites if any are listed. The course attributes may show the class meets more than one requirement. Review your list of course options. When you find one that fits your schedule and requirements, write down the 4 or 5-digit class number. You will use this number to officially enroll in the course. When you are ready to enroll into a class with the class number, you should log into your Student Center through any browser other than Google Chrome. Under the Academic section, click on Enroll. It may ask you to select a semester at this point. Be sure to select the correct semester and then click Continue. For example, we will select Fall 2020. You will find a box where you can type the class number of the course in which you want to enroll. Remember, the class number is not part of the class name. It is the class number you noted when you were doing your search. After the number is inserted into the box, click the Enter button to the right of the class number box. Confirm it is the right course you want and that you meet the prerequisites for the course. Then click the Next button. You will then see the course in your shopping cart. You will notice a symbol on the right side for each course under the column titled Status. A green circle indicates the course is still open. A yellow triangle indicates the course has filled and only has waitlist spots available. A blue square indicates the course has filled and is now closed. You will leave your first choice courses in your enrollment cart ready to go. Remember, you have not yet officially enrolled in these courses. When your enrollment appointment time starts, you should return to your shopping cart to finish registering. If you miss your enrollment appointment date and wait to enroll in your courses, there may not be any seats left in the classes you desire by the time you enroll. To confirm your seat in the course, click Proceed to Step 2 of 3 in the lower right. The system may give you a pop-up message for your math and/or English placement notices. Select OK to these messages and continue through the prompts to the final Finish Enrolling button. You will then see a summary list of your courses enrolled. If the course has a green checkmark in the status column, congratulations, you are enrolled in the course and your seat is reserved. If you get an error message as you are enrolling, read the error message to determine how to resolve the issue. If it's a class conflict, Remove the course you do not want using the trash can icon and proceed through the enrollment prompts. For requisites not met, check the prerequisites of the course again to make sure you are eligible for the course. If you have a hold on your account, go to your holds and alerts box on the Student Center homepage for instructions on how to get it lifted. Hopefully, after watching this video, you are now able to use the online class schedule to effectively search for and register for classes for your next semester.